Okay, guys, today I will talk about, first of all, I will talk about silver, and then I will talk about Japanese yen, because personally I still have a trade on the Japanese yen with that Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So yeah, guys, if you have more questions, I'll try to answer to your questions. But please, guys, please tell me what you're looking at, your levels, your time frame. If you want me to take a look on a specific market, or if you want me to answer to your question. Yeah, gold. I will take a look on gold. After I will take a look on silver, and it's very important, guys, and today to understand that. Um, it's very important to understand, guys, that today the fundamentals will move the markets, will shake the markets. Please, first of all, read the disclaimer, guys. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. It's important to read the disclaimer. And if you have questions, guys, you can send an email to support. Yeah, Learn to Train team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Yeah, don't forget that there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there, fake accounts. So please be careful out there. Silver, right. I believe that I've talked about silver. William, hi, how are you? Um, okay, and I've talked about Japanese yen longs, so we are looking at shorts on the GPY pairs. So personally, I already have, I'm already short on Canadian dollar Japanese yen. William, are you a VIP member? Because personally I've shared my trade, my management, my position in Canadian dollar Japanese yen runs in profit, and I will keep my trade despite maybe temporary rebounds. Okay, I will talk about the Japanese yen in a few minutes. Yeah, so about silver, I talked about silver here when it was almost maybe to hit the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, and I've said that most likely maybe we'll have a potential new rally. William, sorry, I'm not a VIP member yet. Still saving money. Okay, William. But personally, I've talked about the Japanese yen also yesterday, also today. I've shared videos. I've shared the my market breakdown videos recorded for the VIPs. I've sent that video into the free group as well to show you, yeah, that I'm looking for potential Japanese yen longs since yesterday. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So strong rally here on. Strong rally here on silver. Right now it has jumped and closed it above 23 point yeah, 0.97. It has tested, retested, and it tries to stabilize above this broken level. And right now this is the thing, guys, because the economic data, guys, the ADP non-farm employment change, the US economic data, unemployment claims, ISM services, PMI, and job openings should have and should bring high volatility, should have a high impact later, and that's why, guys, it's risky maybe to trade right before the economic data. But in the short term, the bias is still bullish. The upside pressure remains high ahead of the economic data. Because please take a look what happened here. Today I've decided to manage my position in Euro USD for the VIP into the VIP group after after failing to extend its growth, after failing to approach and reach the former high and the medium line. Sorry, whoa, what happened? One moment. My browser. So let's go back. Yeah, so the sell-off here on the dollar index forced the US dollar to depreciate versus its rivals. That's why right now silver and gold try to come back higher. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah. Okay. So right now, as I've said, I'm looking maybe for potential longs. For potential longs, if it stays above 23.97, and if it stays above the lower medium line of the minor ascending pitchfork, and but personally, maybe I would have liked to see test, retest, and false breakdowns here, and that's why maybe I would like I'll wait for the economic data, for the U.S. economic data, and if the U.S. will report. Will release poor economic data, then most likely we'll have an upside continuation, and better than expected US data could help the US dollar to appreciate versus rivals in the short term, and then maybe silver will come back down to retest this zone before developing a new bullish momentum, a new leg higher, guys. Okay, so I have two scenarios here. One scenario if it stays here above the immediate support levels, and one scenario if it drops and reaches this zone here. Okay, let's take a look. Gold. About gold. About gold, yeah, yesterday, guys, or actually, yeah, gold escaped from this flag pattern, from this up channel, and after reaching this zone here, a supply zone, a sell-off. Right now, it has reached this strong bullish candle, an imbalance maybe. It has reached, and right now it tries to rebound, but it remains to see, guys, because. Yeah, here we had a potential falling wedge pattern as a reversal pattern, as an upside reversal pattern, but maybe in my opinion the last chance to go long was maybe here after this retest. Yeah, right now I'll wait, because right now it challenges the supply zones. And no, I don't have a really good opportunity to go long or to go short right now. Actually, I'll wait for the economic data, for the US economic data, and then I will try to take action. Maybe I will take action, because I've told you guys, better than expected US data could force silver and gold maybe to drop, and could force the US dollar to appreciate, and the poor economic data, yeah, could help silver and gold to jump higher, and could force the US dollar to depreciate, right? So no, right now, no, I don't have anything really good on this market. Actually, maybe I will delete all my drawings here, because no, I don't have anything really good. Actually, in my opinion, only a new higher high here could open the door, could activate a larger upwards movement here on gold. It remains to see, guys, because it remains to see, because one moment, yeah, something like this. Yeah, it challenges the downtrend line, a major downtrend line. So false breakouts could signal a potential new sell-off. Okay, so right now, no, we don't have anything really good here on this market, but personally, I've drawn here an ascending pitch for 1, 2, and 3, right? And if the price will jump here, and if it stabilizes above the medium line, okay, to retest, then I will look for longs, for potential new buying opportunities here on this market on gold. This is my buying scenario here on gold. Okay, and this scenario could take shape if the US data, or if the US will report poor economic data. Yeah. Okay, this is my opinion here. US oil, and then I will take a look on the Japanese yen, on US dollar. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about that. William, gold is very scary at the moment to buy. Yeah, right now. Yeah, it has rallied in the short term only because I told you guys the DXY crashed. But let's see, let's wait. Let's wait. It remains to see if we'll have a larger drop here on the DXY. Then yeah, gold should approach and reach new highs, right? But right now, US oil, yeah, and then I will take a look on cryptocurrencies if you want. I will take a look on US equities. I will talk about the Japanese yen, about the US dollar. Now sideways movement. No. Maybe I don't want to do anything here right now on US oil because it is almost to hit this this supply zone as a resistance. Yeah, and no, right now I don't want to do anything here on US oil. Maybe we've missed something. Maybe we've missed a potential long opportunity here, but right now no. Yeah, maybe I will use this ascending pitchfork here, but right now, no, I don't want to buy it right below the medium line, below the supply zone. Only a value breakout, stabilization here, accumulation could signal a potential further growth or a potential sell-off towards the lower medium line. Yeah, but right now, no. Okay, let's invite more members, guys. Let's invite more members. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, okay, let's take a look. And let's start with the Japanese yen, guys. Japanese yen. I've talked about the Japanese yen basket yesterday when the price was here below this downtrend line, and I've said that value breakout, a new higher high could signal potential further growth rally, retest. New rally, maybe a new retest before developing a new bullish momentum. That's why right now I'm still holding my Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and maybe I'm looking for potential or for new Japanese yen longs, okay, because it has taken out, or it has jumped above the former high here. Yeah, maybe after its strong rally retreat, it is natural, but in my opinion, maybe it could still it could still develop a larger rebound after escaping from this pattern here, after taking out this downtrend line. And personally, 1, 2, and 3 here, maybe, or here. Yeah, something like this. But as I've said, guys, after this amazing rally, retest rally, maybe potential retest, it could also approach and reach this zone here before developing a new bullish momentum, and a potential further growth here. Should force the Japanese yen to appreciate versus its rivals. Guys, don't forget to like the video. Yeah, thank you, guys. Okay. William, can give me a sniper entry. I can buy VIP. I don't know if I will send something into the free group today. Right now, I'm still looking. For potential. I have questions. It is possible to close only a part of the trade in MetaTrader 4. Yeah, MetaTrader 4. Yeah, it is possible. One moment. One moment. I will show you how to close. You can search on the internet as well, but I will show you as well. So right now, for example, guys, one moment to open my. I have to open my. So here is the real account. For example, I have a short position in Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, and for example, if you want to close, but if you are right now, personally, I cannot close, for example, half of my position if my volume is only 0.01. But if your volume it is for example 0.02 here, you can double click here, and you can for example, if you have here 0.02, if you want to close half, you can if you will type it here 0.01, and you will click on close. You will close half of your position, or you can close 30% of your position, or 80% of your position. It depends on your volume, guys, right? It depends on your volume. Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, so this is how you can close. MetaTrader 4 or 5 is the same. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, this is how you can close, or you can I don't know. There are brokerage companies. No, this was MetaTrader 5. Yeah, this was MetaTrader 5, but I've told you it's the same. Or you can close partials. You can close half, or 80%, or 70%, or I don't know. You can move your stop loss at break even automatically if you are using. There are all kind of software, guys, position size calculators, a position size calculator which will help you to do something like this, or an expert advisor, or an indicator, or something like this, right? So, but this is the easiest way to maybe to close half. But I told you it depends on your volume, yeah, because if you are using only 0.01 you cannot close half. You can close only the entire position. What? One moment. So how does it work with automated following if the trade, if there is such a thing? What? Okay. So this is my opinion about the Japanese yen basket. Personally, I don't have right now here. Actually, I have, but on a different brokerage company, I have something like this, like an EA, like an expert advisor, which will help you to. But personally, I'm not here to promote a specific brokerage company or something like this, so that's why. But I told you there are expert advisors and. Yeah, trail stop, but yeah, I've told you there are expert advisors or indicators which will help you to do something like this. Maybe when the price reaches a specific level or something like this, to close half when the price reaches a specific level, or when the price, I don't know, to move your stop loss at break even when the price is 100 pip in profit or something like this. There are all kind of software, guys. Yeah, there are all kind of softwares. Thank you, guys. So this is my opinion. Let's take a look. Euro, Japanese yen. Euro, Japanese yen. It is okay to risk 0.5 per trade. Some of your risk levels are very I'm using a small account. Yeah, I understand this. Personally I'm using 0.5, yeah, 0.3, 0.5, yeah, something like this. Maybe in the upcoming period I will use again maybe 1%, I don't know. Yeah, and I understand, guys, that some of the trades here in the VIP are with, I don't know, 0.2, 0.25, and I understand that you cannot open those trades only because yeah, that trader is using a demo account maybe, or something like this, and yeah, you cannot afford to open something like this in your trading account. But personally, I've told you, personally, you will know when I will send a trade, because you will see my name under my trade. You will see Olympiu, and personally I'm using 0.4, 0.5, yeah, maybe 0.55 or 0.60 or something. Yeah, yeah, okay. It is up to you. Yeah, personally I will not tell you what to do, but this is my risk. Yeah, I don't know exactly your account, your amount. Yeah, your yeah. William, New Zealand dollar Swiss franc shorts on 4 hour. Can you confirm? No, I cannot confirm, because personally I will not tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. Yeah. New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Yeah. If you want to follow my trades, it's fine. If you don't want to follow my trade, it's fine as well. So personally, I will not tell you what to do. 4 hour. Yeah, it has reached this zone here, but past the supply, but I don't know. I don't know. What are you trading here? The New Zealand dollar, the Swiss franc. Yeah. And why do you want to sell here? Only because it has reached this zone. Yeah, supply zone maybe. Only because it is located below the former high. Why? No, personally I don't have a selling opportunity here. Personally, I'm not trading on this market. No. Personally, I'm not trading on this market. I'm not trading on this market. Yeah, maybe personally I would have liked to see something like this here. Test, retest, false breakdowns, and then boom. And also taking out the former high could open the door, could activate a larger rebound after jumping above the downtrend line. Yeah, because here, guys, the price failed to make a new lower low. Oh, sorry, guys, it has failed to make a new lower low. That's why maybe I need confirmation here. I need maybe on lower time frames. I need confirmation. I need a bearish maybe setup. I need a bearish confirmation. I need the bearish pattern or something like this. I don't want to sell it at market only because the price reached this zone here. Okay. Because as long as it stays above the immediate low here, 0.5541, it could only retest before jumping higher, extending its growth. So it is up to you. I don't know your setup, I don't know your strategy, I don't know your levels, I don't know where do you want to hide your stop loss, I don't know your risk, I don't know anything. So that's why, in my opinion, taking out the medium line here which stands as a dynamic resistance, a valid breakout, could signal potential further growth. Okay guys, let's take a look. Euro USD. Yeah, this is the reason why today I've decided in the early morning to manage my position here and to move the stop loss at break even. Euro USD. After reaching 1.0835, it has registered only a false breakdown, and then boom, yeah, it was a really good decision to manage the position and to look for something else. Okay, break even, it's fine, and right now I'm looking for something else. But as I've said, the economic data, the US economic data should bring us high volatility, maybe sharp movements. Yeah, and that's why. Let's wait, okay? Because only retesting here and registering false breakouts, boom, could signal a potential new sell-off, but only if the US data will come in better than expected. But right now it's premature to talk about something like this. Yeah, after this amazing rally, a retreat, it has failed here to stay and stabilize below the former lows, signaling that maybe exhausted sellers, signaling upside pressure. You saw that the DXY plunged, dropped. That's why we had this amazing rally here. So it was a good decision to manage the position, to look for something else. It's fine. Yeah, as long as we are not losing money, it's fine. Even if the price reaches the stop loss at break even. Yeah, right now it's too late to go long here on British pound US dollar after reaching the medium line. Maybe only temporary retreats, new retreats, or an accumulation consolidation could bring us potential new longs. About US dollar Japanese yen, I've talked about this market earlier today. What? Can you hear me? Can you confirm? Can you confirm? I believe that everything is okay. I believe that everything is okay. Please confirm, guys. It's working. Yeah. Now. Okay. I've talked about US dollar Japanese. I've talked about US dollar Japanese yen earlier in my daily video analysis. So please, guys, you can visit our YouTube channel. You can watch that video in our YouTube channel, or you can watch the video into the free group, into the VIP group. I've talked about this market, and maybe a larger retreat could take shape in the short term. Also, if the US will report poor economic data, then most likely the Japanese yen will depreciate, will lose more ground versus the US dollar will lose more ground versus the Japanese yen. So I've talked about this market. Yeah. Please watch that video, guys. It's important to watch all my videos. You will understand maybe how to read the markets, how to I don't know, maybe how to build your strategy, how to identify potential setups or trades. Yeah. Thank you, guys. And don't forget to like the video. Okay. USD CAD now. I don't want to do anything right now on the US dollar versus the Canadian US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Yeah, potential retreat here could bring us potential longs. Thanks for your explanations. Thank you, guys. And also, don't forget, if you have questions, Learn to trade. You can send an email to support, guys. If you have questions about brokerage companies, about services, about, I don't know, yeah. Or if you have, I don't know, all kind of issues or problems, or I don't know, you can send an email to support. You can send an email to support. Sorry. US dollar, Swiss franc, guys. Per hour. No. I really hate this extended sideways movement. No. Right now I'll wait maybe for the economic data, and yeah, it seems that the the US dollar could lose more ground versus its rivals in the short term. I'm looking here on all markets, on looking on the US dollar pairs, on the USD pairs. But as long as if I don't have a setup, I cannot do anything. Let's take a look again. As long as I don't have a high probability setup, a really good risk reward ratio. Yeah, and unfortunately here about silver, guys, about silver, as I've said also earlier, yeah, maybe this is the thing, guys. Maybe you cannot trade all the time. Or actually, yeah, with my real account right now here, the real account that I'm using here for Learn to Trade, unfortunately I cannot place, for example, I don't know, buy stop here or buy at market with a potential stop loss here around these levels, because the risk will be maybe above 1%. Yeah, unfortunately right now I want to use a risk around 0.5. okay, half risk. How are you using the pitchfork? What do you mean? Please, if you want to know how to use pitchfork, on how to draw it, or how to use the medium line, the lower medium line, I know, inside inside sliding lines, or yeah, upper medium line, you can visit our where's the start point? In this case, the start point. Personally, I have two pitchforks here. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and here this is the minor ascending pitchfork. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can see how the price retested the lower medium line of the major ascending pitchfork. It has retested the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, minor ascending pitchfork, and that's why personally this tool helps me to identify potential direction, reversals, the potential setups, yeah, high probability setups with a really good risk to reward ratio. But as I've said, if you want to know how to, or to understand how to use pitchfork, because we have here in TradingView, we have here, yeah, pitchfork, shift pitchfork, modify shift pitchfork, inside pitchfork, a lot of tools. Yeah, if you want to understand how to use it, or how to use it in your strategy, you can visit our YouTube channel, guys. And personally, I've published it. I've several videos, trading video tutorials on how to use pitchfork. So please watch those videos and come back maybe tomorrow when I will go live again, and if you have questions. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's why I don't want to go long right now, at market or with a buy stop, because I cannot afford to to place the stop loss here, because the risk it would be above 1% maybe. Yeah, in the current account here that I'm using here for Learn to Trade. But I will look for something else on lower time frames around the economic data, because I mean personally I would like the price to come back down here and then boom, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, you will find the videos. We have a playlist, video tutorials or trading tutorials, sorry. Yeah, trading tutorials. Trading tutorials, and you will find, yeah, you will find several videos about Pitchfork. Okay. So nothing really good right now on the US dollar. Personally, I'm already long on the Japanese yen. Oh yeah, no, US dollar, Singapore dollar, US dollar, South African rand. Let's take a look. South African rand. Yeah, this was my previous setup here on this market. Yeah, but I believe that the VIPs made a good profit here on this setup. And personally, I will look for something else. But right now, I've talked about also in a video, in a daily video analysis, I've talked about this major rebound here on US dollar versus the South African rand. I've talked about this scenario in the past when the price was here. Yeah, I've talked about it. That's why it's important, guys, to watch all my videos, maybe to share the videos with your friends, or to comment right below the videos, to like the videos. Yeah, I talked about this scenario. You can maybe you can watch this video again in our YouTube channel as well. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. British pound, Japanese yen. How to use multiple pitchforks in trading. Yeah, but there are don't start with that one. Or you can start with that one as well, but please take a look for other videos to really understand how to draw it, how to use those lines. Yeah, and then maybe that video is the last one. Okay, so okay. Okay, yeah, Japanese yen started to grow again. Yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, my position is still in profit. It is it's really good right now, guys. If you are and personally, yeah, after this massive sell-off, maybe a rebound was natural. Right now, it is too late, in my opinion. It is too late to go short again. Yeah, because maybe personally I will move my stop loss at break even soon. Yeah, or maybe I will manage my position. So If you are a VIP member, you will get my you will get an update. You will get my trade management on this trade, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and taking out, making a new lower low and taking out 108.01 could open the door for a deeper drop, for a larger downside movement here on this market. Okay, that's why right now, yeah, I'm short on this market. I'm long on the Japanese yen. Okay, and right now please take a look here. If I will use descending pitchfork 1, 2 and 3 here, sell off towards the medium line, which represents the first downside target, a rebound, sell off, maybe it's a try to retest the medium line, and as I've said, a new lower low should activate, should open the door for a potential larger downside movement, maybe towards at least towards the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork. Okay, or let's see if I'll use yeah, these pivots, something like this, okay. But right now, yeah, my position Canadian dollar, Japanese yen is in profit. That's why maybe I don't want to place a new trade on the Japanese yen right now. I talked about the Japanese yen pairs. Bitcoin. Are you interested in Bitcoin? In my opinion, yeah, it has reached it has found a strong resistance supply right above 31,035 sideways movement, but the current sideways movement could represent an upside continuation pattern. Okay, and a new higher high, jumping, closing and stabilizing above 31,458 should open the door, should activate the potential further growth in Bitcoin. And if the price of Bitcoin jumps higher, then Ethereum should extend its growth as well. I believe that I talked about this major down channel here. I talked about this breakout, a natural retreat drop, and right now, yeah, it could try to extend its growth, but we cannot exclude also temporary retreats before jumping higher. US 100. US 100. I will delete my drawings, and I want to talk about something like this here. Hi Olympia, what about the bearish scenario for Bitcoin? Bearish scenario. Bearish scenario, guys. Bearish scenario. Yeah, maybe if it makes a new lower low here, dropping, closing and stabilizing below 29,600, could signal exhausted buyers, strong sellers, and then maybe the price could come back down to maybe to retest maybe my medium line here, or to come back down towards this zone. Okay, but right now, as long as it stays okay, after this amazing rally, retreats or sideways movements are natural. Okay, and this could represent a range pattern, a bullish continuation pattern, but yeah, right now it has reached only a false breakout again. Maybe this could be a false breakout with great separation, and the false breakout with great separation above the former highs, followed by a strong and major bearish candle, could confirm a potential downside movement, a potential sell-off. Okay. US 100, yeah, it has reached a supply zone, and the key level, former high, resistance. Here on daily, but in my opinion, only something like this could really confirm a major downside movement. Maybe something like this. I'm talking a potential larger downside movement on the medium to the long term. Okay. Yeah, on lower time frames, yeah, we can sorry. On lower time frames, yeah, on lower time frames, maybe a new lower low here, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 15,103 could open the door for a potential larger downside movement. Okay. 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 Yeah. So potential lower low retests could bring us maybe a potential larger drop, larger correction. But don't forget that today the US data could have a big impact also on the US equities. Yeah. On the US equities. Yeah, strong sell-off also on US 30 on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Yeah, only because the US dollar depreciated. Sorry, no. No. No, because I'm using a correlation, but only when the no. Let's take a look. Yeah, it is not maybe strong correlation all the time, because let's take a look on the DXY right now. The DXY dropped, and yeah, here on 4 hour we had this rebound, and on US 30 we had the sell-off. Okay, but no, we don't have a correlation right now. But yeah, maybe when the US dollar is bullish, maybe I don't want to go long on the US equities. Okay, and when the US dollar is for example is bearish, maybe I want to go long on the US equities. Okay, but it is not a really strong correlation. We don't have a strong correlation, but personally I'm using it. I'm using this correlation. Okay, guys, it seems that you don't have more questions. Personally, I will come back later with something after the economic data, because I told you the US is to release high impact data. Most likely we'll have sharp movements. We'll have sharp movements in both directions, high action. So yeah, it's important, guys, to be careful around the economic data. Yeah, anything could happen. It seems that you don't have more questions. I will come back with something else, and with new high probability trades and setups, and I will come back also with my management on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.